INyuvesi yasePitoli isalumisile okwesikhashana uhlelo lokusebenzisa iminwe ukungena ngaphakathi kulesikhungo phecelezi iBiometric access system. Lesinyathelo sithathwe emva kwemibiko eqinisekisa ukuthi sebeyisikhombisa abantu abahaqwe igciwane iCorona kulelizwe. Lesikhungo sithi selulekwe ithimba loNgoti bezempilo.
INyuvesi yasePitoli ithi ayifuni kwenzeke iphutha njengoba sekukhona abanegciwane iCorona kuleli. Isihoxise ukusetshenziswa kwemishini yethupha uma kungenwa emasangweni ayo. Abafundi kanye nezisebenzi zalenyuvesi sebezosebenzisa amakhadi.
We have been informed by experts that in those services where thousands of people touch on a daily basis could be a source of the infection. So one of the places or such services is our biometric system at our entry gates, and we have 7 campuses. So that's the first action we took to reduce the risk of infection.
Sizoqhubeka izifundo kule nyuvesi njengoba Lesikhungo sithi akekho sekubikwa ukuthi unaleli igciwane.
As has been said by the Minister of Health and many other world experts, do not get into panic, do not take extreme measures unless you find evidence.
Abafundi basemukele Lesinyathelo sokubavikela.
Students have raised their concerns, which is actually why the biometric system has been suspended. So what we're doing is emphasizing once again that we are a community, and in a community it's important that we look out for one another.
I feel a bit at ease because this biometric system did cause a risk and it could spread the disease. So yeah, I feel more at ease.
Abantu abangaphezulu kwe-1,000 sebetheleleke ngaleli igciwane emhlabeni jikelele.